case-insensitive regular expression without re.compile. In Python, I can compile a regular expression to be case-insensitive using re.compile. Is there a way to do the same, but without using re.compile? I can't find anything like Perl's I suffix, for example m/test/I, in the documentation.
Pass re.ignore case to the flags param of search, match, or sub. You can also perform case-insensitive searches using search/match without the ignore case flag, tested in Python 2.7.3.
The case-insensitive marker, ?i, can be incorporated directly into the regex pattern.
You can also define case-insensitive during the pattern compile.
If you want to see more, press on the issue